What's going on, guys? I'm Jordan with Triple Diamond Construction. We're out here today in Yukon doing some roof inspections, checking in with homeowners after the storms this spring. Here in this specific neighborhood, there was 2 hailstorms, one on April 19th and one on July 8th. They were both about 2 1/4 inch hail. Here on this roof, we see quite a bit of damage you can't see from the ground. You have to get up here and look at it, so wanted to bring you up here and show you what we're looking at. This is the kind of hail that will do damage to a roof. You can see that the granules are gone and the asphalt is exposed. The problem with that is asphalt does not have a UV coating. So when it sits in the sun on a hot day like today, those UV rays dry and crack that asphalt, and eventually it'll flake off and leave the fiberglass exposed. That fiberglass does not shed water, and that's where you start seeing water seeping into the roof. It'll soak in like a sponge. So give us a call. We'll come out and do your free roof inspection and see if you guys have any of the damages that we see out here.